daw ay makulit, mahirap daw spellingin. Paano daw babait, paano daw susundin, pangaral sa'kin. Alam naman ninyo na ako ay isip bata pa. Sana naman at pasensyahan muna. Batang makulit ang tawag sa akin kapag may sumbong. Mahirap pigilin kapag may toyo, ang hirap awatin. Sana ay unawain nyo.
Taking care of plants, perfect. Ito, perfect. Perfect. Like. Community helpers, perfect. Meron pa kayo different community, ano? Ito, perfect din. Hindi pa, perfect. Perfect. Animal under food, animals, their youngs. Animals under shelters, perfect. Eat, farm, zoo animals, perfect. Hindi, wala. Perfect din. Ay, punit. 25, perfect din. Find the letter N. Perfect. Ito, hindi, wala. Perfect din. 10 over 10, perfect. Transportation, 15. Perfect. Communications, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, perfect. Ano ba relight? Actually, relight, perfect. Perfect, diba? Relight upper. Memory, wala. Wala. Relight, the upper letter. Perfect, complete. Wala na, yun lang. Okay.